In this video, we're going to show you how you can change the content that you're seeing on the For You page on TikTok. So if you open the TikTok application and you see irrelevant or boring content, then just follow my steps because I'll show you how you can reset the For You page and personalize it to your liking. The first step is to open the TikTok app, and then we'll go over to our TikTok profile. Our first job is to reset or refresh our For You page, and we can do that by tapping on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. After this step, we're going to open the Settings and Privacy option. Once you get to the Settings page, find the Content Preferences. And then we will click on this Refresh Your For You feed. This is essentially going to restart your For You page. It will reset the algorithm, and it will start by showing you some popular videos that they think you might like. So after you reset the For You page on TikTok, all you have to do from now on in order to personalize the videos is to interact with them. So TikTok will see what you're liking, what you're commenting on, what type of content you're searching for, and they will show you more similar content and adapt to your preferences. For example, if you love to watch car videos on TikTok, then make sure you like a couple of car videos, maybe comment on some of them, search for some car videos in the search bar, and interact with those videos. After you do these steps, after you refresh your For You page, and after you like and interact with the videos which you like, then TikTok will show you more of those videos, and they will adapt the videos to your liking. The more videos you watch and interact with, the better the algorithm is going to become at learning what you do and don't like. And that is how you can change the content that you see on TikTok. If you need more similar TikTok tutorials like this one, please check out the playlist from the description down below, and I'll see you soon.